Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County in central Illinois, Stark County in north central Illinois until 6:15 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Castleton and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lincoln, Bradford, Camp Grove, Sparland, Henry, Varna, Toluca, Long Ridge, Hopewell, Marshall County Airport, Lake Wildwood, Larose and Pattonsburg. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 29 and 41 for your protection. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning kills. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, WXK-24 Odell. Severe weather